Guys, good morning. I am all set for another ride. Today my plan is to reach Srisailam. I'll be there in Srisailam for one day. I'll cover the entire temple and the surroundings over there. The season is very good and it's slightly drizzling today, but I would be making up. मैं निकल जाऊंगा टाइम पे और पहुंच भी जाऊंगा. Meet you on the road. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. After crossing the city roads, I just entered into NH 765 which takes straight to Srisailam. The road is excellent. I just stopped here to have a tea break, and quickly after having tea I will be starting back. Keep watching. The roads, the climate, everything is exciting. Srisailam is 210 kilometers roughly from here. We will be going through Kadtal, then Tiger Reserve and Srisailam project. Guys, this is the Srisailam Dam project. This is a power as well as a irrigational project. Wow, what a magnificent view. From here Srisailam is 20 kilometers and the bridge connecting the two hills, the moment you cross you land in Andhra Pradesh. Guys, at the entrance of Srisailam, we find this famous temple Sakshi Ganapati. Sakshi means witness. As per the history of the temple, a person visiting the Jyotirlinga has to first visit this temple and register his presence and with the god, Lord Ganapati. Sakshi Ganapati is at the entrance. It's around 2 kilometers before Srisailam. Let's go inside and register ourselves to the god that we have come here to take the darshan of Lord Shiva in his Jyotirlinga form. We have reached Srisailam and see this magnificent view of Srisailam town. This is at the entrance. You can see Dakshinamurti statue and you can see Nandi, Shiva, Parvati statues. It's a beautiful hillock view. Even the gopuram of the main sanctum sanctorium is also visible from this place. Guys, after reaching the temple, I had a beautiful darshan. Here you can see there are 3 types of queue to get the darshan of Lord. One is free darshan, which is called the Sarva Darshan, and one is called as the Shigra Darshanam, which is 150 rupees, and another darshan here is rupees 500 rupees darshan, which is called Ati Shigra Darshanam. So the temple complex is quite big and it has got 4 gopurams on all 4 sides. The Lord is facing towards east, and I will take you through the temple complex. Mobile phones are not allowed inside the temple, and that is the reason why I was not able to take a tour for all you people inside the temple. If you have to tell, this is a Jyotirling. There are 12 Jyotirling in our country. Out of the 12, this temple comes in second place. First is Saurashtra Somanatheshwara. Second is Srisailam Mallikarjuna. It's quite a big temple, it's vast. One of the main differentiation of this temple with other Jyotirlingas is that this temple has got a Shakti Peeth also. Ma Bhagavati is in the form of Brahmarambika, and Lord is in the name of Mallikarjuna. Mallikarjuna means Mallika, jasmine flower. The Lord used to be prayed and worshipped by using jasmine flowers. You can see the temple complex, friends. It's quite vast. It's big, spacious. Due to COVID restrictions and due to COVID and other issues, even the crowd is also less. Usually you will find crowd in this temple on Mondays and during weekends. This is one of the Gopuras. I am standing. Mallikarjuna, Sri Mallikarjuna Brahmarambika Sameta Jyotirlinga and Shakti Peeth. This gate is called Harihara Raya Gopuram. Harihara and Bukka were one of the founders of the Vijayanagara kingdom. This temple has got its fame, name and everything. after Harihara Raya visited this temple. During the rule of Nizams, this temple was completely destroyed and it has been rebuilt with a request given to Ahalyabai Holkar. Ahalyabai Holkar also played a important role in reconstructing this temple. In fact, if you say Varanasi Jyotirling, Somnath Jyotirling, all were rebuilt and by Ahalyabai Holkar. You can say there are two major temples in the state of Andhra Pradesh. One is Tirupati Tirumala Balaji temple, Sri Venkateshwara temple, and another is Sri Saila Mallikarjuna temple. Quite large. The Shaiva sect and the Vaishnava sect both have got two large temples in Andhra Pradesh. You can see the Gopuram of Brahmaramba. This is one of the Gopurams entrance. The temple complex is wide, vast and very spacious. Guys, this is again one of the entrance. You can say this is the main entrance of the temple. However, no one is allowed through this entrance. You will have to go through the queue complex only for darshan. You will find the temple shopping complex also just opposite to this entrance. People do a lot of shopping, fancy items, bags, Rudraksha Mala, Shiva Vibhuti and all. You get many things here. They take that as prasad to their home. Guys, I am here at Atakeshwaram temple. This is also one of the famous temples around 4 kilometers from Sri Sailam. There are three things which are very noticeable and very prominent near Sri Sailam. One is Atakeshwaram, another one is Paladara Panchadara, and Tisra is Sri Lalita Devi Pitam. I am there at the Atakeshwara temple now. From here I will be going to Lalita Devi Pitam and then I will be exploring Paladara Panchadara. It's very peaceful, lush green forest, large banyan trees, excellent climate. This place is just wow, highly peaceful. Guys, this is Atakeshwara Swami main sanctum sanctorium. You can read Om Namah Shivaya. Atakeshwaram means pot, earthen pot. The person who was making earthen pot, known as Kumbara, earthen pot maker Kumbara, Lord Mallikarjuna Swami gave him darshanam in Atakeshwara Rupam, Bangara Linga Rupam, a golden lingam Rupam. So this is how the Swayambhu Lingam is there here in the Naimisharanyam. The entire forest is called as the Naimisharanyam. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. I am here at Sri 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 Lalita Devi Peetam. Om Shri Matre Namah. Lot of medicinal stuff, medicinal plants are sold here. You get Mahabilvam also. Many Ayurvedic medicinal purposes plants are sold here. You can see here from the lush green forest. I am taking now the route, the steps to Paladara Panchadara. Around 150 steps. Paladara Panchadara name comes as Pala is Shiva's forehead and Pancha is 5. 5 streams put together. There is one main stream and hence the name Paladara Panchadara. In 8th century Adi Shankaracharya has done tapas over here, and this is the place where he has written Brahmarambika Ashtakam. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hope you love this place, and please do visit this place. In the monsoon season it is exciting. After a one day stay at Sri Salem and having a blissful darshan of the Lord Shiva, I just started back today morning at 5:30 a.m. It's around 245 kilometers from here, my home. Please take care. Have a safe, be safe in this challenging time. And I would wish all of you a very best of luck. Please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.